Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to do the vocabulary review for second grade journeys, lesson 29, and the folktale Two of Everything by Lily Toy Hong. So what you will need is you will need a pencil and a piece of paper for this lesson. So if you need to, push pause and get a pencil and a piece of paper, and you're going to write your numbers 1 through 16. But before we get started, let's review our vocabulary words. Number A, search. B, contained. C, startled. D, odd. E, leaned. F, tossed. G, grateful. H, village. So here's our learning target. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. So say it again with me. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Success criteria. Each lesson is like climbing a mountain, and our goal is to get to the top of the mountain. And here's our steps for success. I will, number 1, read each sentence or group of words. Number 2, I will choose the vocabulary word that best fits each sentence. Number 3, I will write the correct word on my whiteboard or paper. So again, you have that piece of paper and pencil, and we're doing 16 slides. And for each slide, you're going to write the correct vocabulary word. Number 1, a gorilla sitting in our classroom would look very blank. A gorilla sitting in our classroom would look very search, would look very contained, would look very startled, or would look very odd. What word makes the best sense given the pictures and the context of where the word is in the sentence? It is odd. O-D-D. Odd. Number 2, I was blank when we finally found my lost puppy. I was leaned when we finally found my lost puppy. I was tossed when we finally found my lost puppy. I was grateful when we finally found my lost puppy. Or I was village when we finally found my lost puppy. What makes the best sense given the context clues of the picture and where the word is in the sentence? Grateful. G-R-A-T-E-F-U-L. Grateful. Full of gratefulness. Grateful. Number 3, the box blank all the pieces needed to build the game tower. The box search all the pieces needed to build the game tower. The box contained all the pieces that needed to build the game tower. The box startled all the pieces needed to build the game tower, or the box awed all the pieces. So what makes the best sense given the pictures and where the word is in the sentence, the context clues? Contained. The root word is contain and ed at the end. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-D. Contained. I'll spell it again. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-D. Contained. And if I'm going too fast, push pause. Number 4, after the race, I blank against the tree to catch my breath. After the race, I leaned against the tree. After the race, I tossed against the tree. After the race, I grateful against the tree. Or after the race, I village against the tree. What would you do after you ran very fast and you needed to rest? Leaned. The root word is lean, Lean, with an ed ending. Leaned. After the race, I leaned against the tree to catch my breath. Leaned. Number 5, the children had to blank for the hidden clues. The children had to search for the hidden clues. The children had to contained for the hidden clues. The children had to startled for the hidden clues, or the children had to awed for the hidden clues. What makes best sense given the picture and where the word is in the sentence, the context? Search. 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 The children had to search for the hidden clues. Search. Number 6, the boy walked through the blank to get to his friend's house. The boy walked through the leaned. The boy walked through the tossed. The boy walked through the grateful, or the boy walked through the village. Look at the context clues, our picture, and where the word is in the sentence. The correct word is village, Village. The boy walked through the village to get to his friend's house. Village. If you notice, there's a picture of a village in our picture to support the sentence. Number 7, she was blank when she arrived at her surprise party. She was search when she arrived. She was contained when she arrived. She was startled when she arrived, or she was awed. Look at the picture clues and the context clue where the word is in the sentence. She was startled. Start, start, led, startled. She was startled when she arrived at her surprise party. Startled. Number 8. Oh, I forgot to highlight it. Sorry. Number 8, here we go. Snoopy blank the decorated eggs onto the grass and into the bushes. Snoopy leaned the decorated eggs onto the grass. Snoopy tossed the decorated eggs onto the grass. Snoopy grateful the decorated eggs onto the grass, or Snoopy village the decorated eggs on the grass. What makes most sense? What is Snoopy doing? There's the picture clues, and what is the context where the word is in the sentence? Snoopy blank. Snoopy tossed. The root word is toss. If you notice in the picture, Snoopy is tossing. Tossed. Tossed. Snoopy tossed the decorated eggs onto the grass and into the bushes. Tossed. Number 9, when you play hide and seek, you do this. When you play hide and seek, you do this. What do you do? Do you search, contain, startled, or awed? Look at the picture clue. What is the picture doing? And you do this. It is search. Search. Search means to look for. So when you're playing hide and seek, you are looking for someone. One person hides, or people hide, and then another person looks and seeks. Search. 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 Number 10, Frisbees or sandbags might have this done to them. What do you do with the Frisbee? Or what do you do with the sandbag? leaned, tossed, grateful, village. Tossed. You would toss a frisbee or a sandbag. Tossed. 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 Number 11. A $3 bill would be this. A $3 bill would be this. Search, contained, startled, or odd. First of all, have you ever seen a $3 bill? I know I haven't. So it would be odd, strange. A $3 bill would be odd. ODD, odd. Number 12. Characters in fairy tales might live in this place. Characters in fairy tales might live in this place. So look at the picture clues. They're pointing to the picture. Would they live in leaned, tossed, grateful, or village? Village. Characters in fairy tales might live in a village. Village, village. Number 13. There's good old Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. If you are this, you might jump and run away. So look at the picture clue. If you are search, if you are contained, if you are startled, or if you are odd. If you are startled, root word startle with an ed ending, startled, startled. Shaggy and Scooby are definitely startled. Number 14, in November, we celebrate a special day for being this. What holiday is in November where we celebrate a special day for being this? Leaned, tossed, grateful, or village? It's grateful because in November we have Thanksgiving in the United States. Thanksgiving is similar to grateful. Grateful, grateful. Number 15, I am always inside, never outside. What am I? Am I search, contained, startled, or odd? So look at the picture clues. Contained, root word contain, contained, contained. Contained. You are inside. And last one, number 16. You may have done this to the side or forward. Look at the picture clues. What are they doing? Leaned, tossed, grateful, or village. Leaned, root word lean, Leaned, leaned. Nice work, you have mastered your vocabulary words. Let's review. What was our learning target? I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. So, how would you reflect? Time to reflect, like Winnie the Pooh and Tigger 2. They're looking at themselves and you're thinking about your learning. Number 4, would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I easily selected all the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Would you give yourself a 3? I was able to select most of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. 2, I was able to select some of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or 1, I was not able to select any of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. All right, boys and girls, thank you for doing the vocabulary review with me today for lesson 29. Have a great day.